Hi everyone, Carson here from Proline Range Hoods, and today we want to talk about one of the most popular range hoods, which are inserts. If you've been researching range hoods, you already know that an insert is really one of the most flexible ways that you can vent your kitchen. It hides inside a wood custom enclosure like this, so the cabinet or wood surround is really the only thing that you see. So today I want to walk you through what installing one of our inserts looks like, why the install is fast and easy when the cabinet is built for it, and the single biggest mistake you need to avoid before you actually start building anything. And here's the good news right up front. Between our full insert lineup, we've got widths from 28 inches to 58 inches and depths from 15 to 21. So whatever your cabinet builder is already framed, we've got the right hood for you. Let's start with understanding the main thing about inserts, which is how they sit in your enclosure. An insert doesn't sit on top of a cabinet or hang off of the wall like a standard wall chimney hood. It slides up into the cavity, whether that's a wood hood, a plaster surround, or a dedicated cabinet box. It's really all the same, but it anchors directly to the inside wall or fastens from underneath. So that's one of the most key important things. The golden rule with Proline inserts is that an insert is sized 2 inches smaller than your actual cabinet opening. So if you've got a 30-inch opening, the correct size for your insert would be 28 inches. That 2-inch gap gives you your mounting clearance and lets the hood sit completely flush without you having to fight the cabinet walls to get in it. So again, right, the 2-inch gap, right, with 1 inch approximately on each side will give you the appropriate clearance. All right, so what does an installation look like? I've gone ahead and moved over to our display here. I'll use our Vortex insert today as the example, but the process is very similar across our entire lineup of inserts. What's cool about the Vortex is it's a two-piece design, meaning the hood body is separate from the motor housing. Why that matters is because it means you're not wrestling a fully loaded unit over your head, right? Trying to muscle up a really heavy piece, and it's a little bit awkward. So this actually changes that, helps the installer. This thing only weighs maybe 15 to 20 pounds. So really you pop this in, right? We'll go ahead and slide this in. This cutout is made for this hood. So now that we've fixed this in, all you're gonna do is just anchor it in 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you've got the actual body affixed into your cabinet, and you can move on to the next steps. Okay, so I've gone ahead and flipped this over. It's at a better viewing angle for everyone to see. We'll move on to step 2, which is installing the blower pack. This comes in a 600 and a 1200 CFM motor. So one has the ability to choose really the CFM that fits their kitchen needs. All you're gonna do from here is just anchor this in, right? And now your blower pack is set up. You'll move on to the step 3, which is going to be power, connections. You'll make the connections down into the touch panel, into the shell of the hood, and then you'll just run your ductwork and basically finish this up, right? You'll have some filters and some other miscellaneous things. But really, the install is that easy, and you can knock this out in an hour or less. It's genuinely one of the easier hoods to install out there. One thing that we haven't talked about is the two-piece system with your cabinet. Really, this gives such a convenience to installers. So many times we see people not give themselves any access points to do ductwork, right? So once they've slid their hood up in, it's really hard to get up here and do your connections. So the way that we've designed this with a two-piece system, now you've got a base and an upper that allows the user, the installer, to come up here, set all the ductwork, get it all flush, make sure that their connections are all correct, and they're not battling with it from just underneath, right? So I'll go ahead and just install this, but this is ideally the way that you would want to design your kitchen insert. Okay, this is now where I want you to slow down a little bit and plan. Inserts are not all universal. A 30-inch insert from one brand will not have the same footprint and spec as a 30-inch insert from another company. Even across our own lineup, the depths and the mounting hardware vary. Widths are close across the industry, but depths and heights and how the hood actually attaches to the cabinet are not standardized. Some inserts mount with side flanges, like this one behind me, that screw into the cabinet walls, right, from underneath. And some mount from the top with brackets that need blocking above the insert, while some, sit on a lip. And the depths can also swing from, 15 inches to 21 inches, depending on the model. So there really is a big variance. And it's important that you find out what model that you're using and how you're gonna frame it up, frame your cabinet, build your cabinet to that exact spec. That is the biggest problem that I see with most customers is they end up building a hood, not verifying dimensions. It shows up, they get frustrated, and now kind of they're back to finding an insert and making it fit for their application. So before your cabinet maker makes a single cut, please do this. Number one, pull the spec sheet for the exact insert you're buying and give your cabinet maker the width, depth, height, and mounting method, right? They're gonna need to know all of that when designing. Then number two, make sure to confirm whether the opening needs to be top blocking or side support or a little bit of both. And lastly, if you're replacing an existing insert, measure the old one. Don't just assume that the new one will drop right in, right? Grab the depth, grab the width, grab the curvature of the hood. Are there gonna be any pinch points that you're gonna need to be aware of? The bottom line is an insert install is only as easy as the cabinet that you're putting into. Getting the opening specs right first, then you can pick the hood that fits it. And that's exactly the advantage of shopping our full insert collection. Whether your specs call for a 15-inch deep insert or a deeper 21-inch for a larger custom hood, or maybe you've got something in between with customizable CFM like the Vortex here, we've got you covered. You shouldn't have to redesign your kitchen around the range hood. We've already built the range hood for your kitchen. Check the link in the description to shop our full selection, and if you need an expert to double check your specs before you pull the trigger, our team here at Proline is just one call away. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see your new kitchen.